Guys, ayan yung ating dress for today. Bababam, bam, bam, babam, bam, taguin daghan, kayahan, yeah, bababam, bam, bam, bababam, bam, bam, na 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 na, yeah, yeah, So that's it for today, guys.
my God.
Ayan. Guys, ayan yung ating dress for today. Rababam, bam, 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 taguin dughan, kayahan, yeah,
Wow.
So that's it for today, guys. Ayan. Hi, hello there. Ayan guys, alis na naman ako. Ayan, I buy something guys. Ayan, bibili lang ako ng aking daily needs guys. Ayan, bili lang ako ng aking mga daily needs. Katulad ng shampoo, biscuits, conditioner, yung mga pagkain ko guys daily. Ayan, so ito yung aking outfit for today guys. Ayan, lotion tayo. Ayan. Sa tuwing naalis ako guys, hindi talaga pwedeng hindi ako mag-lotion guys. Ay, kailangan ko talaga mag-lotion guys kasi napakainit sa labas. Ayan, ito yung aking sunblock lotion. Ayan, this is my ano guys, protection, sun protection. Ayan po. Ayan. So, that's it for today, guys. Ayan, mag-aayos lang ako ng konti. Ayan, magsusuklay muna ako, guys, bago lalabas. Ayan. Ayan, medyo maano nga suklayin to aking hair, guys. Kasi ang kapal niya, tapos ang kulot. Ayan, kaya naman nahihirapan ako suklayin ito, guys. Ayan, hirap na hirap. Ayaw ko naman pagupitan, guys, because I love long hair. At saka ayaw ko din siyang ipa-rebond, guys, kasi nagustuhan ko yung curly hair, guys. Ayan, gusto ko kasi kulot, guys. Ayan, kaya hindi ko muna siya pinapaayos. Tsaka na lang guys. Tsaka na lang pag naisipan kong ipa-rebond yung aking hair. Tsaka ko siya ipa-straight. Ayan. Kaya tiis-tiis muna ako ngayon guys sa aking magulong hair. Ayan, magulong hair. So, ayun guys. Ayun, gandang-ganda ako dito sa aking shade guys. So, I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack. Ganitong ayos lang guys. Ganitong formahan lang, pack na yan sa akin guys. So, ayan po. I really love it. Ayan guys, ito lang yung aking simple outfit ngayon guys. Ayan. Ayan, simple look. So, I'm ready to go na. Ready to go na guys. Ayan, yung ating dress for today. Rababam, bam, bam, rababam, bam, bam. Taguin dughan, kayahan. Yeah. Rababam, bam, bam, rababam, bam, bam. Na 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 na. Yeah. Rababam, bam, bam, rababam, bam, bam. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. Ayan. Bye.